Cool inventions that will take your car to a new level. Welcome to the Ultimate Car Upgrade Show, where we're counting down the top inventions that will transform your humble vehicle into a cutting-edge cruiser. From AI-powered dashboards to self-healing paint, and from augmented reality windshields to engines that run on air, we're about to take your car game to a whole new level. So buckle up, tech heads and car enthusiasts, and get ready to shift your ride into hyperdrive. Tryhomy Car Folding Bed. This game-changing bed is crafted from ultra-durable Oxford fabric and supported by a robust 70-75 aluminium alloy frame. Weighing in at a mere 3.6 kilograms, it's as lightweight as a cloud, and its sleek design ensures it won't weigh you down. With a spacious 165 by 56 by 32 centimeters sleeping surface, you'll be sleeping like a baby under the stars in no time. Active safety belt system. Harnessing advanced sensors, actuators, and algorithms to continuously monitor driving conditions and occupant behavior. Designed to prevent accidents, reduce injuries, and fatalities, these systems seamlessly integrate with other safety features like electronic stability control, ESC, and adaptive cruise control, ACC, to enhance safety during emergency maneuvers and highway driving, and paving the way for a safer, more secure driving experience. Seventour ST800. It has a superior aluminium shell for effective heat dissipation and an attractive design that includes a customizable spider speaker protection and an LED ambient light ring. The ST800 provides total control with a wired bass amount remote control that allows you to adjust gain, bass boost, and crossover. It also has diverse connectivity with both low-level RCA inputs and high-level inputs. The subwoofer's modest size makes it easy to fit into your car's interior without compromising sound quality. Thule Allax Dog Crate. The Thule Allax Dog Crate is a dependable and simple-to-use solution built for real-world application. It comes in 10 various sizes and an adjustable depth, assuring a perfect fit for your pet. The container has a clever design, including a gas-powered door, built-in lock, and escape hatch for extra protection. The ingenious crumple zone, a unique feature, reduces the chance of injury for passengers in the back seat. NIO ET9 Chassis Skyride. NIO has introduced their executive flagship sedan, the ET9, with the strong Skyride chassis technology. The system has steer-by-wire, rear-wheel steering, and fully active suspension. The ET9's capabilities stem from its completely active suspension, the world's first integrated hydraulic, fully active suspension with an active suspension electric drive unit. The suspension is powered by technology developed by Clear Motion, a US-based advanced suspension startup led by NIO Capital. Putco Truck Bed Ball Panels, a custom-engineered system designed specifically for each truck, make, and model. Made from lightweight 10-gauge aluminum with a textured black powder coat finish, these durable and stylish panels offer a versatile storage solution compatible with various gear strapping systems. Easy to install without drilling, they can be mounted on the front, side, or tailgate for maximum customization, and work seamlessly with spray-in bed liners and most tonneau covers. Tilta Hydra Alien Car Mounting System. Capture seamless action shots with Tilta's Hydra Alien Car Mounting System, a versatile tool for mounting camera gear to moving vehicles. This comprehensive system features a tripod suction mechanism, modular dovetail mounting plates, and adjustable angles for maximum flexibility, while an additional shock-absorbing head or arm can be added for extra stability. The system also includes a power supply for gimbal systems. Smitty-built Atlas Door Steps. Experience the ultimate in convenience and sustainability. With a unique adjustable mounting system, they provide a secure, slip-resistant entry point, ensuring safe and easy access to your vehicle even in the most rugged terrain. EV Solar Kits. Electric vehicles, EVs, are becoming increasingly accessible and affordable, making solar panel charging a simpler and more viable option. In the United States, each kilowatt of solar capacity generates 4 kilowatt hours of power per day, or 1,500 kilowatt hours per year. To charge a typical EV, approximately 3.1 kilowatts of solar capacity are required. Solar power is not only the most environmental friendly, but also the most cost-effective way to charge an EV. Stowflex Tailgate. Get ready to revolutionize your tailgating experience with the 2023 Chevy Colorado's Stowflex Tailgate. This ingenious storage solution is available on all trim levels and features a spacious 45-inch wide by 4-inch deep compartment, perfect for keeping your favorite beverages and snacks chilled. The lockable top ensures your goodies are safe and secure, while the tailgate's versatile design allows for multiple positions, including a midway point for storing longer items. Plus, with a weight capacity of 500 pounds, you can load it up with all your essentials. Varus Energy Brake Cooling Kit. Take your track performance to the next level with the Varus Engineering Full Brake Cooling Kit. This OEM-style design is engineered to significantly reduce rotor temperatures, resulting in improved pad and rotor wear. By harnessing the power of OEM fog lights as an intake and a precision-crafted duct in the inner fender line, this kit maximizes airflow and cooling efficiency. With pre-cut hoses, a steering rack limiter kit, and hardware included, installation is a breeze. Leveraging cutting-edge scan data and 3D printing technology, the Varus engineering team has achieved a near OEM fit and finish that's unparalleled in the industry. And there you have it, folks. Today's episode of Cool Inventions has come to a close. But the excitement doesn't have to end here. If you're as revved up as we are about these groundbreaking car upgrades, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more thrilling content. And don't be a speed bump. Share this video with your friends and fellow car enthusiasts to get the conversation started. Want to stay in the fast lane? Tap that notification bell to stay updated on our latest episodes. And we'll see you in the next one.